Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class I am going to teach geometry. Construction of tangent to a circle using three methods. First one using the center. The second one using alternative segment theorem. The third one is from an external point P. Sums from the exercise 4.4, sum number 11, 12 and 13. Only one tangent can be drawn at any point on the circle. Two tangents can be drawn from any exterior point of a circle. Exercise 4.4, sum number 11. Draw a tangent at any point R on the circle of radius 3.4 cm and center at P. Measurement. Given measurement radius is 3.4 cm. Rough diagram. A circle with center P and a point on the circle R. From R, draw a tangent to the circle. Fair diagram. Draw circle radius 3.4 cm, center P. Mark a point on the circle R. Join PR. PR is the radius of the circle, centimeter 3.4. Draw an arc from the line PR any centimeter. The same scale used. Mark two arc on the previous arc. From these two arcs, draw an arc. Named as T. Join P RT. Extend it. We get a tangent T dash of the circle. Draw a circle of radius 4.5 cm. Take a point on the circle, draw the tangent at that point using alternate segment theorem. Given measurement radius 4.5 cm. Rough diagram. A circle of radius 4.5. Take a point L and another 2 point M and N. Joining LN, LM and MN. Draw a tangent for the given circle. Fair diagram. Draw the circle of radius 4.5. Center as O. Taking a point on the circle L and another 2 point M and M, N and M. Joining NL, ML and MN. join OL of radius 4.5 centimeter. Make an arc on N from N. The same measurements. Draw arc from the line LN, LM. It touches the LM at a point. From that point, draw an arc on the previous arc. It intersecting each other, we get a point. The CS from the point of intersection, draw a line that touches the L. That is required tangent of the circle T dash. LM is the chord. T dash is tangent. That is alternative segment theorem for drawing tangent. N is alternative angle for angle LNM is alternative angle for angle MLT. That in sum, draw the two tangents from a point which is 10 cm away from the center of a circle of radius 5 cm. Also measure the length of the tangents. Measurement radius is given 5 cm. Rough diagram. A circle is drawn 5 cm. From the center of the circle, draw a line of length 10 cm. From the point on the outer side P, from the point P, draw two tangents to the circle. PA and PB are the tangents. OA and OB are the radius of the circle. Fair diagram. Draw circle of radius 5 cm. From the center, draw a line of length 10 cm. The outer point is P. OB is the length of 10 cm. Draw perpendicular bisector of the line OB. Take more than half of the measure of the length of OB. From O, make an arc above the line and below the line. From P, make an arc above the line and below the line. The two arcs above the line and below the line intersecting each other. From this intersecting point, draw a line that is perpendicular to the line OB, that is perpendicular bisector. It bisects the line in two equal parts named as M. The line touches the circle at one point because the radius of the circle is 5. So OM is 5, PM is also 5. Draw a circle with the center as M, MO as radius. The circle touches at the 2 points on the previous circle A and B. Join OA and OB. OA and OB are the radius of the circle. From the point of P, join PB and PA. That PA and PB are the tangent to the given circle of radius 5 centimeter. Measure the tangent, length of this tangent. Measure the length of the tangent. .7 centimeter. PA and PB as 7 centimeter. The tangent and the radius are perpendicular to each other. So, OP is the hypotenuse of the verification. In triangle OAB, right angled at A, OA square plus PA square is equal to OB square. OA 5 square plus PA square is equal to 10 square. PA square is equal to 10 square minus 5 square. PA square is equal to 100 minus 25. PA square is 75. PA is root of 75. Root of 75 is 8.66. PA is approximately 8.7 centimeter. Length of the tangent is 8.7 centimeter.